also want to create successful animation videos on YouTube, videos that get millions of views every month. To make such videos successful, you need a unique idea, strong stories, and interesting characters. With all of these, you can create successful animation videos on YouTube. In this video, I will tell you how you can do all this with the help of AI, how to create similar images, something no YouTuber tells you. But don't worry, I will share that formula with you too. So let's start the video. Video idea. First of all, you need a good idea. For that, we will use AI. First, you need to go to ChatGPT. There you'll find a box where you will type, "Give me 10 different fun and adventure story ideas for kids." After that, as soon as you press enter, ChatGPT will give you 10 different stories. Now, you will read these stories and choose the one you like. Then you will ask ChatGPT, "Write a short story for this idea and generate image prompts for each character." ChatGPT will give you a complete story along with image prompts for each character. Image creation. Now you will need to create these images. For that, we'll use the website Nardo AI. Go there and log in. Select the rotate option, depending on whether you want to create a long or short video. Choose accordingly. Then select the image generation option. Here, you will enter your image prompts and generate images. When your image is ready, download it. On the site, there's an option to see again and again. Enable this option. This option will help us generate similar pictures. After downloading the picture, click on the 3 dots. You'll see Set Copy. Click on it. It will copy the code. Now paste this code into the advanced option. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy your next prompt. Paste that prompt here again. Now, whatever picture is generated, it will match the first one. Same hairstyle, clothes, everything. Just wait a few seconds and you will see that it creates a consistent style. In this way, you can create many series story images in the same style. Video creation. Now that you have the images, use Pixver to turn them into videos. Here, you log in with Google. Upload your images. Click on the image option and it will open your gallery. Select your image from there and paste the prompt you had earlier from ChatGPT. You will get a 5-second video by generating it. Wait, it works perfectly. It's also a free tool. Download it once your video is ready. After that, you can use editors like CapCut or Veed to further enhance your video. Voice edition. I create my voice using Clipchamp. It works very well even in the free version. It is a trusted and free professional tool. It generates high-quality voiceovers. You'll see its dashboard. Select the text-to-speak option. You can generate your voice using this feature. When you select it, it will give you many virtual voice options. Inshallah, I will give you a full tutorial on this in the next video. If you want to make a voice using this tool, you can also edit it or use it without editing. If I start teaching AI voice editing here, the video will get too long and boring. Inshallah, I will definitely teach you this in the next video. Now, there are some important questions. Can AI-generated voice be monetized? Yes, AI-generated voice can be monetized. It doesn't matter whether the voice is paid or free. Your content just needs to be original. Original content means it should have your own value. It shouldn't just be video editing, storytelling, or using someone else's content. If you are an original creator, no one can stop you from succeeding. In this way, you can use AI to create successful animation videos on YouTube and make them more interesting and popular. If you like my video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you still didn't understand something or missed anything, feel free to ask me in the comments.